Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Pius X, a Pope. We have a very long gospel reading today, which in the case of Saint Matthew, he combines two parables uh, with the same uh, message or connecting messages. The first parable is about a king who prepared a, a wedding banquet for his son, and he invited all those people he encountered on the street. And the second parable is about the garment, proper dress in the wedding banquet. What is the point of our gospel reading today? The first parable talks about the initiative of the king in inviting people to the wedding banquet he prepared for his son. Why? Why did he go out to invite people? Because many who were supposed to be invited had a lot of alibis that they could not attend the invitation, the celebration, because of this, because of that, or whatever alibi they had, because they were so busy in their lives that they simply said, "Thank you for the kind invitation, but we cannot attend because we are busy with our own concerns in life." And so when the king heard about these reasons, he was actually furious, angry. And so what he did, he simply went out and invited anyone he would meet on the streets. And so this parable tells us about the initiative of God in inviting us, of calling us into His kingdom, in His banquets. Yes, we are not worthy, but the Lord opens the door for all of us. He invites us all to come and join the celebration, the banquet in heaven, to be with Him forever. And this is not about who we are or our being, but it is about who God is, His initiative of calling us, even if we are unworthy of His kingdom. It is God's initiative. But many of us would also have our own alibi why we cannot participate in the works of the Lord, in the mission of the Lord, more so in the anticipation of being with the Lord, because we focus ourselves so much in worldly concerns of our lives. And so this is the same situation that we are into every time we reject the invitation of God to work in His kingdom, to work in the parish, in our church, in the mission of Christ. And so the second uh, parable would also come in, and it is about wearing the proper dress. And this garment is about uh, what we do. And so our being invited is not enough. We have also to wear the proper garment. Ibig sabihin doon, tayo inanyanyahan ng Diyos na dapat umasta tayo base o ayon sa kung saan tayo inanyayahan ng Diyos. And so, these two parables would combine being and doing. And so, our being, children of God, should correspond to our doing. Correspond with our doing. Sa ating pagkilos, sa ating pag-iisip, sa ating paggawa, dapat naayon sa kung sino tayo bilang mga anak ng Diyos. And so, my brothers and sisters, the challenge now is, or being baptized, being Catholic Christians is not enough. We have to act according to our identity as Catholics, as baptized, as children of God. And so we have to practice our faith. As Saint James would tell us, faith without good works is thoroughly lifeless. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.